Is Shimmer still talking? Shimmer wants to follow Mom around wherever she goes. You just want to follow me? You want to talk some more? Tell the people hi. Shimmer. Shimmer, tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi, Shimmer. Can Shimmer say hi? Shimmer say hi? Shimmer's going to go talk to Junior for a while? Shimmer wants to talk to Junior for a while? Shimmy. Shimmer. Shimmy, shimmy, Coco Bop. Where'd Junior go? There goes Clarice. Whoops, there goes Shimmer. What, Shimmer? What? What? What do you want? There goes Claire. Uh-oh, there we go, action shot. Let's see what's going on in here. What's going on in here? There she goes. You ready to run, Claire? Is Clarice ready to run? Claire, ready, run. Turn around, run, Claire, run. Run, Claire, run. What are you doing, Shimmer? You just want to talk all the time? Clarice, you can't go down there. Danger. Danger. No, 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 not on that side of the fence, girls. We've got to go this way. Go that way. Clarice, Shimmer, not up there. No, no, no. Bad girls. Bad girls. There you go. There they go. Okay, we gotta go get brother. Junior. Whoa! Clarice. Clarice, you can't go out there. See, that's the street out there. No. Clarice can't go out there. Danger. 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 Danger out there. What? What, Shimmer? What? What?